Hello, everybody. I know I haven't gone live in a really long time. I'm not even certain if all of my sound is working and all of that. So please do let me know if it is not working. Just give me a little shout. But today, I am going to be answering all of the comments that I feel I have not answered over the last little while. As you've noticed, I really haven't been making a lot of long form videos because obviously I am moving, so I don't have all of my stuff together anymore. My whole entire cookie cutter wall is taken down. I'm emptying out all my baking stuff. I did a lot of my my sprinkles and things like that. So today I am going to be answering all of those comments on my various videos. So I'll try to give you a little bit of a description of what video I'm actually